Sensibility and practicality define the 2014 Nissan Pathfinder. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 250 horsepower. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. All of the premium features expected of a Nissan are offered, including a rear window wiper, one-touch window functionality, an outside temperature display, and remote keyless entry. Passengers in the third row enjoy seat-back reclining functionality, providing an extra level of comfort and convenience. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Nissan also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.